Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Sakshi Gaurav Godse from MFS KBT COE College of Engineering of Department Information Technology. We will see today a topic innovative teaching method presentation. The topic is blockchain-based solutions for public transportation systems under the guidance of Dr. V.R. Sonawane sir. So let's begin with the topic. First, we will see the introduction. So, what is blockchain technology? Basically, a blockchain technology is a peer-to-peer ledger system that allows peers to transact between them without any central authority. This peer network is completely decentralized. To make it decentralized, each peer carries a copy of the ledger. So, the ledger can be a complete copy or a minimal copy required to stay connected and functional to the network. So basically, a blockchain technology is an innovative and secure way of managing transactions, records, and assets. It has a potential to revolutionize various industries, including public transportation systems. Here are some of the benefits of blockchain technology. It is an important to understand the value proportion of blockchain technology for the transport sector. According to the Blockchain in Transport Alliance, blockchain can bring the following benefits to an organization. So they are as follow: frees up capital, lowers transaction cost, speed up processes, provides security and trust, market transparency, operational efficiency, carbon friendly, risk management, and last but not least, promotive interoperability. Next is distributed ledger technology. So the distributed ledger technology is an visual decentralized database or ledger, often encrypted for security, maintaining a permanent and tamper-proof record of transactional data. It managed by computers, allowing peer-to-peer network, whereby each of the peers are the computers in the network, maintain the copy of the ledger. Each peer can add a new transaction to a block as long as they compile with previously agreed protocols. All the copies are updated and validated automatically and simultaneously. So, digital technologies are currently remodeling the public transport ecosystem and the blockchain. Distributed ledger technologies are receiving attention from decision makers. With the blockchain and DLTs, part, parties are able to enter into new direct relationships with each other based on common set of rules and high level of trust without any need of central management authority. This will give further values to data and reshape how users will access public transports. New possibilities of accessing and paying for and as using public transport are set to appear. But the potential for blockchain and its ability to transform the transport sector needs to be clearly accessed. The opportunity of an increasing number of decentralized applications running in peer-to-peer networks needs to be introduced by various stakeholders involved in the process. So here, so next is an use cases of blockchain. Here are the some of the use cases. First, we will see the smart mobility. Modern cities are full of urban sectors such as traffic detection systems, CCTVs, Wi-Fi hotspots, street lights, crowd sensors, parking sensors, and very much more, which are constantly interacting with each other in order to provide better traffic management, emergency responses, disaster management, and enhance the safety. DLTs allows these sensors and controllers to be connected using common cryptographic chain of trust. This can enhance the accuracy of information, prevent disruptions, and improve decision making. Public transport vehicles can also be a part of this DLT ecosystem and exchange data with this control system to improve the customer experience, service reliability, and real-time responses. There are also many transactions between operator such as common tickets, the use of shared infrastructure such as bus stops, the interoperability of public transport services. Next is an peer-to-peer system ride sharing. More and more ride sharing services have been entering the market over the past years and have challenged the ecosystem with their extensive use of technology to develop new business models. These business models increase the revenue for the platform providers and lead to the potential higher fares for the users and less revenue for the service providers. Blockchain and DLT are able to fulfill review of this model due to its decentralized structure and smart contracts. Booking platforms are no longer mandatory for the service provisions. Smart contracts could allow new commission-free peer-to-peer relationships under the umbrella of an authority, setting the necessary flexibility regulatory frameworks. Most important, vehicles, drivers, and their respective data can be trusted with the use of blockchain. Next is then mobility as a service. Blockchain and DLT could enable service providers to share data in a secure way and support the setup of natural managed platform. Today, third parties provide the possibility to manage the journey of chain for users in a convenient way through their platforms. This commission-based service led to an increase of price for users and to lack of integration due to difficulties in optimizing travel chains once different platforms compute on the market. Blockchain and DLT could lead to more open mass ecosystem promoting better interoperability and seamless traveling under the paradigm of fair computation and regulation. Blockchain's ability to handle mass data in real time could open up to new forms of smart city management. So here are some of the solutions for public transportation systems. The various blockchain based solutions that can be implemented in public transportation systems to improve efficiency, transparency, and security. The first is ticketing and payment. Blockchain technology can provide a secure and transparent ticketing and payment system for public transportation. This system can limit intermediaries, reduce frauds, and ensure a more efficient payment process. Passengers can purchase tickets using digital currencies and transactions can be securely recorded on the blockchain. This can also help transportations providers to identify fraudulent identity activities and prevent revenue leakage. Next is assist tracking. Blockchain technology can be used to track public transportation assets, including vehicles, routes, and schedules. This can provide real-time data on vehicle uses, which can be used to optimize routes and reduce the traffic congestion. Transportation providers can also use this data to identify areas of improvement, such as reducing the number of idle vehicles or increasing the frequency of popular routes. Third is maintenance and repair. A blockchain-based system can track the maintenance and repair records of records for public transportation vehicles. This can help ensure that vehicles are properly maintained and served, reducing the risk of breakdowns and accidents. It can also provide transportation providers with the real-time data of vehicle performance, allowing them to identify potential problems before they occur. Next is supply chain management. The use of blockchain can help streamline to supply chain for public transportation systems. It can track the sourcing and raw material and components and the delivery of finished goods. reducing the risk of delay or a supply chain disruptions. This can also help transportation providers to optimize their inventory levels and reduce the cost of goods. Next is on data sharing. Blockchain technology are able to secure the transparent data sharing between different entities involved in public transportation system, such as government agencies, transportation companies, and passengers. This can help improve collaboration and increase efficiency. For example, passengers can share their trip data with transportation providers to help optimize routes and improve overall service. So these are just few examples of how blockchain can be used to improve public transportation system. By leveraging blockchain technology, public transportation authorities can create more secure, efficient, and transparent system that benefits both passengers and transportation providers. Next is here are some of the possibility for a vehicles or public transportations to move from one location to another, as we can see by a car, by air, and by a rail. So uh, that the problems that arise in a term of time station in a locality are as mentioned below. Problem related to the people. While the number of cars increase, problem that often occur includes improving road infrastructure to the disadvantage of natural habitat areas. The quality of life has been changed by presence of noise, harmful gases in the air, and the traffic accident. The pedestrian and play area is reduced, as well as possibility of building cyclic tracks. Next is an environmental issues. Air and climate quality are also influenced by the use of fossil fuels in transportation. And the another problem is problem with the car. Increased noise due to the continuously increased motorization traffic. Reduced traffic congestion will influence environmental conditions, convincing people to drive in a certain places or at a certain time by offering rewards, establish government regulations to use other means of transport such as car sharing, gathering laws that encourage the use of environmental friendly and safer cars. So the conclusion in the blockchain technology can provide a range of solutions to improve public transportation systems. By leveraging blockchain technology, transportation providers can create more secure, efficient, and transparent systems that benefit both passenger and transportation providers. Blockchain-based solutions such as ticketing and payment system, assist tracking, maintenance and repairs, supply chain management, and data sharing can help reduce cost, increase efficiency, and improve overall service quality. As such, transportation providers should consider incorporating blockchain technology into their operations to stay competitive in increasingly digital world. So here are some of the references which I have referred for creating this presentation. Thank you very much.